Hello viewers, we are Chef MVP. Today we will be making steamed pork dumplings.
Using fresh shrimp, fresh ginger, some peppers, some scallions, which is also known as green onions, some bok choy, fresh pork, saxo wine, soy sauce, sesame oil, and hot sesame oil if you like it spicy.
We will start cutting our vegetables. I'm cutting the scallions.
We'll also start cutting some peppers. Slice these in half. Got some ginger already cut up. Do some bok choy. Cut them finely, chopped. I'm going to finish cutting the peppers. Another couple of cuts out of those, and then we'll finally slice them. Go through the orange one. Fingers out of the way. Away from you. Yep. You're going. Okay, one more. Okay, let me finish them with the shrimp. Okay, perfect. Okay, now we're going to combine our ingredients into the bowl. Okay, we're going to start by adding our ingredients. A splash of wine, splash of soy sauce, sesame oil, and we want a little hot and spicy sesame oil. Then you can start.
And now we would add our vegetables. We will put peppers, ginger, scallions, and bok choy.
We'll also add our shrimp in there. And then we'll mix them all up. Get your hands dirty. Mix everything together. Okay, perfect. Okay, now we're going to spray our dumpling baskets with a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to put our parchment paper in there and spray it. Perfect. Okay, now we're going to be stuffing our dumpling wrappers, wonton wrappers you can get at your local grocery store. Make sure you wet the whole outer edge so they stick together. Put the meat in, as much as you like, as big as you like. You can use a fork, use your hands, whatever you want to press them. Good job. You can press that one too. I'll fill them, you press them. Fill your wrappers up. These ones are going to be round. Make sure you wet them.
We will get a nice pot with half water in it. Get a dumpling basket ring. Put it on top of the pot. Get one of the dumpling baskets. Put it on the bottom and get the other one and put it on the top. Then you put the top on and you put the knob on to high and you let it steam and boil away for 8 to 12 minutes. So now they're starting to steam. after we steamed it for 8 to 12 minutes, it's finished. And this is what they should look like. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Enjoy!
Thank you.